Hello, this is Jason from DigiNo.org and welcome to Create and Automate Profitable Niche Websites. And this course, I'll just be running you through the process of how to build up a website from scratch and run through all the little techniques I use to automate it, get it earning money, and get it ranking on Google on page one. So yeah, I'll be using a case study example of a website that I made all about dogs. And I think this is really helpful for you to see the actual process and how it all works, and hopefully get you with a website and get you earning some passive income online. And I will be promoting products and tools throughout that have really helped me. And I will be leaving links to them in the description. So if you want to use these products, please click on the links because it really helps me out. And affiliate marketing is something that's a big part of this course. So it's good to get in practice with it now so you can start using it yourself to start earning the cash. Okay, so if you're ready to build, create, automate a niche website to get some money, then let's crack on with the class. I'll see you there.